Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to unleash your kid's inner chef with the most epic kitchen playset out there, the Step2 Fun? This thing is a total game changer, and I'm about to tell you why. With its burner lights and sizzling sounds, your little ones will be fully immersed in a cooking adventure, and the knobs actually click, giving them a real hands-on experience. The built-in pod coffee maker, sink, and faucet will keep them engaged for hours, and the roomy counter is perfect for all their culinary creations. The Step2 Fun is incredibly durable, made from easy-to-clean plastic that can withstand even the toughest play, and it's compact enough to fit into any home, so you don't have to worry about it taking over your entire living room. But what really sets it apart is the fact that it comes with built-in spots for all 25 accessories, so cleanup is a breeze, and your kids can take pride in keeping their kitchen playset tidy. Lots of customers have fallen in love with the Step2 Fun, and it's easy to see why, it's just so much fun to play with. The opening fridge and oven doors are a great touch, and the whole thing just feels really solid and well made. Whether your kid is into baking, cooking, or just experimenting with different flavors, this kitchen playset is the perfect tool to encourage their imagination and creativity. In real life, this means your kid will be able to host their own tea parties, cook up a storm, and even learn a thing or two about measurement and following recipes. And with its durable construction, you can trust that it will withstand all the rough and tumble play that comes with kids. So if you're looking for a kitchen playset that will provide your kid with hours of entertainment and learning, look no further than the Step2 Fun. It's an absolute must-have for any kid who loves to cook and play. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.